Lookout from Google is an Android app that helps people with visual impairments better engage with their surroundings. Lookout recognizes and describes details about objects, images, and text. Using your phone's camera, Lookout can help you efficiently complete daily tasks, like reading documents, sorting mail, putting away groceries, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to download Lookout and use it to read text and documents, explore objects around you, identify currency and food labels, and describe images. To get started, download Lookout from the Google Play Store. From the home screen or apps view, tap the Lookout icon. Or you can say, "Hey Google, open Lookout." The first time you open Lookout, follow the prompts on your screen to learn how Lookout uses your data and review tips for getting the most out of the app. Accept the permissions to allow Lookout to use the phone camera. By default, Lookout starts in text mode. Point your camera at any text, and Lookout will read it aloud for you.
Happy birthday.
When you start using Lookout, hold your device so the camera is pointed away from you. Slowly move your device around so that the camera can scan your surroundings, and Lookout will announce what it scans. To stop Lookout from using the camera and reading text, tap the camera icon in the lower right corner of your screen. To turn Lookout's camera on again, tap the same icon. If you want to adjust the speech rate or pitch, tap the Account menu button in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap Settings and adjust the speech rate or pitch. Tap Play to sample your settings.
This is an example of speech synthesis.
Lookout's modes. Text mode is helpful for reading signs or sorting mail. If you think that the text you hear isn't correct, try rotating your device between landscape and portrait, or moving your phone closer or farther away from the text. To try Lookout's other modes, tap the Select Mode button in the top left corner of your screen. You can use Documents mode to read a page from a book or even a handwritten letter from a friend. Place the document on a flat surface and point the camera at it. Lookout will guide you to move your phone into position to frame the document.
Too close. Move device away.
Follow the camera framing guidance for Lookout to automatically capture the document. Or if you are confident that the document is framed correctly, tap the Capture button at the bottom of the screen. Once captured, Lookout will display and read aloud the document's text on your screen.
As the world becomes increasingly aware of the need for sustainability, individuals, businesses, and communities are looking for new ways.
Use the reading toolbar on the bottom of your screen to stop and start Lookout from reading aloud the contents, or adjust the voice speed, or skip contents. To adjust the reading settings, tap the Settings icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can adjust the format of the text and hide the reading toolbar. Explore mode can help you survey your surroundings. Move your camera around you to hear what's in your environment, such as objects or text.
Picture frame with text. Love. Life.
In Food Labels mode, Lookout can scan barcodes or recognize the label in front of a packaged food product. Try holding the product in front of your camera and slowly rotating it.
Pineapple chipotle. Salsa.
Food Labels mode is not available in all countries. The first time you select Food Labels mode, you will be prompted to download additional data. Once you do, Food Labels mode will recognize food items and get results faster and work offline. Currency mode identifies banknotes. Aim your camera at a single banknote at a time to identify the denomination. Currency mode supports US dollars, euros, and Indian rupees. It does not recognize coins. Lookout's Images mode can describe the contents of an image on your phone that lacks alt text or captions. You can also share images to Lookout from other apps if you want them described. Start by tapping the Choose an Image button and selecting an image you'd like described.
In this picture we can see dogs and grass, and on the right side we can see trees in the sky. Details: event, tree, gold.
Captions are currently available in English. If you're located in certain regions, you will also find buttons to ask questions about the image and receive answers. For example, you can ask, "What's in the background?" and Lookout will describe it to you.
The plants are in the background.
In your recents list, you can review a history of items that Lookout has detected. You can also share items from your recents list with others. By default, Lookout uses the same settings as your Android phone. To change Lookout's language so that it can work in multilingual environments, click the globe icon at the top of the screen. To change the country for food labels mode or currency in currency mode, tap the icon at the top of the screen within each mode. If you change your country or currency, you will be prompted to download fresh data for that country. If you have any questions about Lookout, contact the Google Disability team at g.co/disability support. Like and share this video to help make more people aware of Lookout.